Most people think that earning passive income from real estate is something that takes years to build. You save for a down payment, you buy a rental, you hope the numbers make sense, and then you cross your fingers that the tenants actually pay on time and that nothing breaks. And honestly, that's a lot, especially if you're already busy running a business or managing a career or just trying to have a life. But what if there was a quieter, simpler way to start earning real estate-backed passive income? And you could actually set up your first stream in the next 30 days. No tenants, no repairs, no mortgages, no drama. Just steady, predictable income backed by real estate. That's what I want to walk you through today. Because most people don't even know this path exists. They've been exposed to the loud versions of real estate. The ones that require time, stress, and constant attention. But there's a calmer path that busy professionals and entrepreneurs are using right now to create predictable income that doesn't add more work to their lives. And before we go deeper, if you're new here, I help busy professional entrepreneurs who are frustrated with low saving returns and unpredictable markets build monthly passive income through real estate without becoming landlords or taking on massive risk. Everything I teach is based on simple ideas. You don't need chaos to build wealth. You need clarity, predictability, and structure. And yes, some of what I'm sharing today comes from new training called the Quiet Wealth Method. It hasn't officially launched yet, but if you find yourself thinking, I want more of this, or I want to learn the step-by-step, you can actually join the waitlist right now. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comments. And by the way, we're also giving out our guide, the Busy Professionals Real Estate Passive Income Cheat Sheet. It simply breaks down everything we're talking about in a single visual way. Again, the link that's in the description and also in the comments if you want it. But now, before we talk about how to get started in the next 30 days, let's talk about why most traditional passive income paths just doesn't work. Most of what people call passive income isn't passive at all. Take rental properties. People love the idea of owning rentals until they actually own one. Because then the reality hits. Repairs, vacancies, unexpected costs, property managers, bookkeeping, tenant communication. It becomes a part-time job. And if you have multiple properties, it becomes a second full-time job. Then you have this market-based stuff like REITs or dividend stocks. Those can be smart tools, but the truth is they rise and fall with the stock market. When the market dips, your income dips. That's not predictable. That's not stable. That's not something busy professionals can depend on. And then you have the louder, trendier real estate paths. Airbnb, flipping, wholesaling. You can make money with them, sure, but you are not passive. They require time, skills, systems, people, and let's be honest, a high tolerance for chaos. What busy professionals truly need is the opposite of chaos. You need something that's calm, that's stable, that's boring in the best way, and backed by something real. And that's where lending comes in. This is the part most people have never been taught. You don't have to own the real estate to earn real estate income. You don't have to be the landlord. You don't have to take on debt. You don't have to fix anything. You don't have to manage anything. You can step into the role of the lender instead. Think about this for a second. Who gets paid first on every real estate deal? Who gets paid whether the market goes up or down? Who doesn't deal with maintenance, tenants, or repairs. The bank. Banks don't buy properties. Banks lend against the property. And because they lend against it, they earn monthly payments backed by that real estate. And here's the part that surprises people. You don't have to be the giant institution to earn money the same way. You just need access to the right opportunities and the right structure. And that brings us to the practical question. How do you get started earning real estate-backed passive income in the next 30 days? The first step is understanding the lender model. This simply means you position your money the way that banks do. Instead of earning rent, you earn interest. And interest income is contractual. It's predictable. It's secured by collateral. It's stable. Rent is emotional. Interest is structural. Interest income doesn't care about clogged toilets or tenant personalities, eviction laws or roof repairs. It just shows up. That's why it's so attractive to busy people. You remove 95% of the noise. Once you understand that shift, the next thing you need is access to reliable deal flow. And that is where most people get stuck. Because if you try to do this alone, it becomes overwhelming. You don't know which opportunities are safe. You don't know which operators have a real track record. You don't know how to evaluate collateral or terms. That's why vetted deal flow is everything. When you can tap into opportunities that have already been reviewed, analyzed, and filtered, everything becomes simpler. You get to skip the hardest part and go straight to the part that actually builds wealth. And then comes the final steps. Setting up your first income stream. And honestly, once the deal is vetted, this part is surprisingly simple. You review the terms, you decide how much you want to fund, and you let the structure do the work. In most cases, the first monthly payment begins within about 30 days. And that's where things start to shift in a big way. Because you go from hoping to build passive income one day to actually receiving it every month. You check your account and the income is just there. No surprises, no drama, no volatility, just calm, predictable income backed by real assets. And imagine what that means for your life. Income that doesn't depend on the stock market. Income that doesn't depend on tenants. Income that doesn't require hours of extra work. Income you can count on. That's why I call it the quiet wealth. It doesn't scream for your attention. It doesn't pull you into stressful situations. It doesn't take over your nights or weekends. It builds quietly in the background while you focus on your life, your family, your career, your business. Through the quiet wealth method, when it officially opens, and now is the time to join the waitlist, you'll discover a proven step-by-step approach to earning reliable monthly returns without becoming a landlord, taking on debt, or relying on the stock market. The link to join us is in the description and pinned in the comments. And if you want a super simple breakdown of everything I talked about, don't forget to download the Busy Professional Real Estate Passive Income Cheat Sheet. It's also linked in the description and in the comments for easy reference. And of course, if you want to learn more about the foundation of what we do, you can always visit our website at www.ritzelnotes.com. Everything is explained there in simple, everyday language. I want to thank you for spending this time with me today. Go start building calm, predictable, quiet wealth. Start today.